Hello students, I welcome you to my YouTube channel Bring Out English. I shall be discussing model set number 2 of class 10th English paper. Your question paper starts with reading passages. You must go through the whole passage before writing the answers. Let me first read the passage for you. One of the greatest values of punctuality is that it gives discipline to life. We have to get up in time. We have to do things at the appointed time. All these entail certain amount of sacrifice. It dispels laziness and removes our take it easy attitude. A disciplined person always gets recognition and social acceptance. He is wanted and appreciated. Therefore, punctuality can make us socially acceptable people. The virtue of punctuality is said to be the key to success. Look at the great world leaders who have achieved fame and success. Punctuality was their hallmark. Now come to the questions and answers. Question number 1. Who gets recognition and social acceptance? The answer is B. A person who is disciplined. The answer is given in the 4th line of the passage. Question number 2. One word for take it easy attitude is? The answer is B. Laze. It means to pass time in idleness or relaxation. Question number 3. Advantage of punctuality is? The answer is D. It makes life valuable. Question number 4. Punctuality is considered as a symbol of? The answer is A. World leaders. The answer is given in the last 2 lines of the passage. Question number 5. Synonym for goodness is? The answer is C. Virtue. Now let us read the second passage. Papaya is the healthiest fruit with a list of properties that is long and exhaustive. Papaya favors digestion as well as cures skin irritation and sunburns. You can munch on it as a salad, have it cooked or boiled, or just drink it up as milkshake or juice. The most important of these virtues is the protein digesting enzyme in the milky juice. The enzyme is similar to pepsin in its digestive action and is said to be so powerful that it can digest 200 times its own weight in protein. Papain in raw papaya makes up for the deficiency of gastric juice and fights excess of unhealthy mucus in the stomach and intestinal irritation. The ripe fruit, if eaten regularly, corrects habitant constipation, bleeding piles, and chronic diarrhea. Now the answers. Question number 6. The passage is about? The answer is D. Properties of papaya. The answer is given in the first line of the passage. Question number 7. Choose an option which is not true about papaya. The answer is D. It favors sunburn. The answer is given in the second line of the passage. Question number 8. Papaya can be eaten as? Options are A. Salad, B. Cooked, C. Boiled. All the options are correct. So the answer will be D. All of the above. Question number 9. What is found in raw papaya which helps to cure intestinal irritation? Options are A. Pepsin, B. Papain. Both of these options are correct. So the answer will be C. Both A and B. Question number 10. What happens when one eats ripe papaya regularly? Options are A. It corrects habitant constipation, B. It heals bleeding piles, C. It heals chronic diarrhea. All the options are correct. So the answer will be D. All of the above. The next task is to complete this incomplete application to the headmaster of your school. You have to choose right missing words from the given options. Let us first see the answers. Question number 11, the answer is A, the headmaster. Question number 12, the answer is B, the best use of this period. Question number 13, the answer is D, school library. Question number 14, the answer is D, thankful. Question number 15, the answer is B, yours obediently. Now let me read this application with answers. To the headmaster, GVHS Silly, Sir, we have a library period of 45 minutes every Saturday. We cannot make the best use of this period. It is because many books are not available in the school library. On the behalf of my class, I request you to add some more books to the library. We shall be thanking to you. Yours obediently, Sunita. Monitor, Class 10B, Roll number 6. Next questions from 16 to 23 are based on grammar. See the answers to these questions. Question number 16. I blank this watch last year. The answer will be B. I bought this watch last year. Question number 17. He blank for Ranchi study. The answer will be A. Left. He left for Ranchi study. Question number 18. Why are you blank noise? The answer will be C. Making. Why are you making noise? Question number 19. The girls are dash chorus. The answer will be singing. The girls are singing a chorus. Question number 20. He always blank the truth. The answer will be C. Speaks. He always speaks the truth. Question number 21. Choose a sentence in passive voice for the given sentence. The given sentence is She helps me. The answer will be A. I am helped by her. Question number 22. Choose a sentence in passive voice for the given sentence. The given sentence is You rang the bell. The answer will be A. The bell was rung by you. Question number 23. Fill in the blank by choosing suitable modal. Blank, I come in, madam. The answer will be C. May. May I come in, madam? Now here comes the literature section. The first task is based on an extract from your textbook, First Flight. This extract has been taken from the chapter A Letter to God. Let us read the extract before answering the questions based on it. The house, the only one in the entire valley, sat on the crest of a low hill. From the height, one could see the river and the field of ripe corn dotted with the flowers that always promised a good harvest. The only thing the earth needed was a good downpour, or at least a shower. Now see the answers. Question number 24. Where was the house situated? The answer is B. On the top of a low hill. Question number 25. What can be seen from the house? The options are A. The river, B. The field of ripe corn. Both options are correct. So the answer will be C. Both A and B. Question number 26. What does the earth need for a good harvest? The answer will be C. Shower. Question number 27. A word for heavy rain is? The answer will be A. Downpour. Now choose the correct option from the given questions from 28 to 32. Question number 28. The lesson is First Flight is about a? The answer is C. Seagull. Question number 29. What was the topic of the essay written by Anne? The answer will be A. A chatterbox. Question number 30. Who is the author or writer of the lesson A Letter to God? The answer will be C. G.L. Fuentes. Question number 31. Robert Frost's poem is? The options are A. Dust of Snow, B. Ice and Fire. Both options are correct. So the answer will be C. Both A and B. Question number 32. Who hears the sound of patrolling cars at night? The answer will be C. Tiger. Questions 33 to 35 are based on an extract taken from A Tiger in the Zoo. Let us first read the extract. He stalks in his vivid stripes, the few steps of his cage, on pads of velvet quiet, in his quiet rage. Now the answers. Question number 33. Who composed these lines? The answer will be A. Leslie Norris. Question number 34. What does stalks mean here? The answer will be D. Walks. Question number 35. He is used for whom here? The answer will be A. Tiger. Now choose the correct option for the given questions from 36 to 40. These questions are from your textbook, First Flight. Question number 36. Which of the given character is not in the story A Triumph of Surgery? The answer is B. Osable. Question number 37. What was the cause of Tricky's ailment? The options are A. Overeating, B. Lack of exercise. Both options are correct. So the answer will be C. Both A and B. Question number 38. Who was Anil in the story The Thief's Story? The answer will be B. A magazine writer. Question number 39. Who has written the story The Thief's Story? The answer will be A. Ruskin Bond. Now the last question. Question number 40. What is Hari Singh a fairly successful hand at? The answer is C. Robbing. With this I end this video. Hope this video will prove useful to you. Thank you.